In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your unemployment taxes on TurboTax. If you received unemployment benefits during the tax year, it's important to report that income correctly so your return is accurate. TurboTax makes this fairly straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you the exact path to follow inside the income section. Start by going to the income area in TurboTax. This is where the platform organizes all the different types of earnings and tax documents you may need to enter. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Unemployment and Paid Family Leave and click into it. That section is specifically designed for reporting benefits like unemployment compensation, so it's the right place to continue. Next, TurboTax will ask whether you received unemployment or paid family leave benefits. If that applies to you, choose Yes, I did. This tells the system that you need to add that information to your tax return. Make sure you answer based on the tax documents you received, since those details are what your state and the IRS may use for matching. After that, you'll be asked where you got your benefits from. At this point, select the answer that matches your situation. This is an important part because the source of the benefits helps TurboTax determine how to categorize the income and what follow-up questions to ask. Take a moment here and choose carefully so everything stays accurate. From there, continue answering the remaining questions on screen. TurboTax will guide you through the rest of the unemployment section step by step. In most cases, these prompts are there to confirm your benefit details and make sure the income is entered correctly. A helpful tip is to keep your unemployment tax form nearby while doing this, since it can make the process faster and help prevent entry mistakes. Once you've finished answering the questions, click Continue to move forward. That will take you to the next part of the filing flow after your unemployment information has been entered. At that stage, TurboTax may ask you to upgrade. If that appears on your screen, just know that this can happen depending on the forms or sections included in your return. Read the upgrade prompt carefully so you understand what it's asking before moving on. And that's how to file your unemployment taxes on TurboTax. If you follow this path through the income section and answer each prompt carefully, you'll be able to enter your unemployment benefits properly and continue with the rest of your return.